Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to upload and share files on Dropbox. So before starting the video I want you guys to like this video and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all you will open up any browser you want and then you will type here Dropbox, and after typing here the Dropbox you will open up the Dropbox here, and then you will type Dropbox here and then you will open up dropbox.com here. And once you open up Dropbox here, you need to basically sign up. Okay, so you will tap on sign up here, and basically I think this is it's not free, I think. So what's you gonna have to do basically here, that you can basically create your Dropbox account with your Gmail account as well. So we will just use this account here and we will try to log in with our Gmail account, and now it should log in us here. So right now we are in the home page of Dropbox. So I'll show you that how to basically just add files here. So here it says that current plan is basic. So we just so in basic you have just 2 GB of storage, but in professional you get 3000 GB. So you can basically check their plans on their website as well. So right now we just have like 2 GB storage left. So drag files to upload. So in order to upload a file, you will just drag that file here. So I will just upload this file here. I will just drag and drop this file here, and or we can use upload button here. Files, you can basically upload folders and files both as well. So okay, so it's loaded right now. So we will just drag and drop this file here basically. I don't know why it's not getting this, but okay, upload files, and we will just upload this file here basically, and it will upload the file here. So we just have to wait until it uploads the file here. So this is very easy. You can just drag the file here, or you can just tap on the upload option to basically upload the file here. So now it says that uploading is done. So right now we have this one file here. Okay, so in the access it says that only we can access this file, but if we just right click on this file and tap on share, so you will see that we have a bunch of different options. So we just tap on this option here. It's very slow. I don't know why it's slow, but it is slow a little bit. And you can basically share from here. Okay, so you just need to tap on this share option here. So you will right click on this one and then tap on share, and then here you can share with Dropbox, send a copy, send for signature, send it, right? So you can just share with another Dropbox, and you can also send a copy. So that's how to basically upload and share files on Dropbox. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.